Do you understand that? All right. We look on commission, we look on rates. I look at tax. Now, when you have a salary, government wants our little portion. Government wants our little choco tight. Fix up road and. Huh? And the MP too? Yeah, want my little choco tight too. So then I work, you just carry my own directly, come give me. But you have a tax, so you call it income tax, a tax on income. This is across the world. Why you have an income tax is that people feel that the people who make the most money should contribute the most. And usually your income is the source of that money. So all of us pay a certain amount. In Jamaica, it was 25%. So if you make $100, you pay 25%. And if me make $200, me pay 25%. And so in total, I would have paid more than you. You also have some people that are below the threshold, which means that their pay is too small for them to pay income tax. Like, for example, minimum wage people don't pay income tax. You pay GCT, which is what you call a value added or a consumption tax, but you don't pay tax on your income. You understand? So people who make less than I think $1 million or something like that don't pay income tax a year. $1 million for the year. Right? I don't sure what it is, but I think that is it. But people who make over that pay the tax. You understand? Good. Alright now. So a man's salary, $5,500 per year. His taxable income is found by deducting the following from his salary. Him get a married man allowance. Page 42. Can you imagine if you get a married man allowance, me that married already. Him get a children allowance, me that have enough pitney too. Get a national insurance, and get a life assurance. He then pays at the standard rate of 35%, calculating his taxable income and the amount he has to pay in income tax. To find the taxable income, you first have to deduct all allowances. So if a man get paid at $100 and him get allowances totaling $20, then his taxable income is 100 minus 20. You understand that? If him get $5,000 and his taxable income is and him allowances is $1,000, what's his taxable income? $4,000. If him get $10,000 and him taxable and him allowance is $9,000, what's his taxable income? One. You understand that? Good. So in this case, the married man gets allowances of $2,000 because he's married. Because he have to give his wife a little choco. $400 because he have a child. $150 because he have insurance. $360 because if him dead, he want to leave something for his family, life assurance. And so his total allowances is what? $2,910. It means therefore that his taxable income is what? $2,590. Is $550 minus $2,910. So to that extent, the only part that he's going to pay tax on is the remainder from that. Everybody understand that? So therefore, in this case, what is the man allowances?
5,500.
What's his salary? Salary equal what? Salary.
5,500.
What's his allowances?
2,910.
Equal married license 200 to 2,000 plus
400 plus
400 children plus 150 plus
360.
Equal what?
2,910.
Therefore, taxable income. Therefore, taxable income equal to his salary minus allowance. Equal to 550, 500 minus 2910. Equal 2590. Right? Income tax equal 35%. This implies 35 over 100 times taxable income. You realize I don't use a 55, I use this taxable income. Right? So that is equal to what? What?
906.
926.
906.50.
So therefore his tax is, what the question asks?
Find the taxable income deduction for the.
It said calculate the taxable income and the amount he has to pay
So the amount he has to pay in tax,
in income tax.
that's this. See it? Tax. Now what's the amount that he carries home?
Minus that from the 5.
Carry home
4,590.
equal to allowance plus bracket taxable income minus tax. See that? What's his allowance? 2,910 plus taxable income 2,590 minus the tax 906.50 equal 2910 plus what is?
4,593.
4. Oh, for me. Child. What's this?
Equal to 25,000.
What?
1,683.50.
1,683.50 equal to
2910.
you need glasses? So I don't go get it.
Sure, can give me one. 4,593.
4,593 dollars. So that's what he carries home.
Every day,
No, in this case, every let's say, sir. Every month. That's what it says. Every year, US. No. US. Come again now. Sales tax. You know, when there comes a boomerang gas store, you have to pay tax, GCT? Yes. So I learned about that now. A lady buys a table which is priced at 80 plus sales tax. Sorry, 800 plus sales tax. How much will she pay for the table if the rate of tax is 10%? Alright, watch this now. Code is simple. So when it's simple, when we clean, we look simple. What do we know?
We know the price of the table.
Table I sell for $800. So sale price, not cost price. Cost price is what the person we are going to sell it back. Right? Sale price is what it advertised for. 800. What do we know else? Tax rate equal 10%. What else do we know? Alright now. The selling price is equal to 100%. So therefore, it is the selling price plus tax rate, which equal to, what them say? What them ask to find?
How much will she pay for it?
So that is equal to price paid. Now what is this? 100 plus 10%. Price paid. So price paid is equal to 110%. You see that? You see that? 110% of what? 110% of what? Selling price. So price paid equal 110% times 800. Where you get for that? Huh? How much? That is in the book?
Yeah.
That is in the book?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You want to work it out the longer way, you know?
No, sir.
Alright, watch this now. When you pay a price, you have to pay the price plus tax, not true? Not true? So therefore, price paid is equal to selling price plus bracket tax. Now price paid is equal to 800 plus bracket 10% of 800. Now so you go. Price paid is equal to 800 plus 10% of 800. Price paid is equal to 880. Price paid equal $880. You see that? Now so you go. When then you go to the place, the man say plus tax. Now that him say, what him a plus tax? Cocoa? I selling price plus tax. You see that? A person buys a washing machine. For $990. The price including a sales tax of 10%. What is the price of the machine exclusive of tax? So the person, you ever go shop and them say, with tax is a certain amount. So then you want to say, how much without tax? So the man tell you what we know. Remember I'm telling you, always start what you know. It is what you know that you will use to find what you want. Now so you go.
Yes, sir.
What do we know?
How much for washing machine?
The machine inclusive of tax. Price paid equal what? $990. Now so you go. What else do we know?
Sales tax. 10%.
Tax rate equal what? 10%. So what we want to find? Huh? We want to find selling price. Now what to say? Huh? Where is it no? What's the sale tax? Not 10%. 100? Where you get 100 from? No man, follow me man. What you know, not what you look for, what you know. Alright, watch me now. Always saying is that when you check it out, SP is unknown, not true? X. So I use X to SP. So all we're saying is that X plus bracket 10% of X equal 990. You know see that? We have said the selling price plus 10% of the selling price make you pay $990. Everybody understand that? So it means that 1x plus 0.1x equal 990, not true? 10 over 100 not equal to 0.1. 1 over 10, 0.1. 0.1 times x, now 0.1x. So that means say you find say 1.1x equal 990. Now so you go. Everybody see that? You see that? Alright. Start over. When it's simple like a butter. Dumpling and butter. This is what you know. Don't you know that? Suppose me tell you say, find the selling price. If, I mean the total, the paid price. If you know the selling price. You know, just add tax. Selling price plus tax equal paid price. And so you go. So therefore my equation is selling price plus tax equal paid price. You see, selling price equal to what? Equal to X. Unknown.
Plus tax price is 10%.
Plus tax. What is tax?
10%.
No, that is tax rate. Tax is tax rate times selling price. You know see that? You ever pay 10%? You can pay 10%. You pay money. When a man say how much tax? 10%? You give him 10%. I give money. Money. So therefore tax is equal to tax rate 10%. That's not 10%. Times selling price, which is X. You know see that? Equal to price paid, which we know is 990. They told us. You see that? Then we come and say then that 1x, because I want you to say x is 1x. How does that come? Oh. Plus 1 over 10 times x equal to 990, not true? 1 over 10 transform to a decimal. 0.1. So you say 1x plus 0.1x equal to, alright, 0.1x. You see that? You see that? You see that? Yes, Papa. And there comes and say, if you add 1 to 0.1, where you get? 1.1. 1.1 what? Jankro? 1.1x. And 1.1x equal to 990. That means that x equal to 990. This is a multiply, convert as a divide 1.1. That means that x equal what?
900.
So that means that SP equal simple. When you clean, it looks simple. Everybody understand?
No wish.
You can get yourself
So
shot.
sleep pattern. No, I was very upset.
Anyway, last thing on this now. Oh, one more thing left. Higher purchase. Oh, wait, 2 more things left. Oh. Higher purchase. What time now? 11:30. Alright, higher purchase.
Well, I take a lunch then.
No.
No, I just get break.
When we purchase goods and pay for them by installment, it's like now a quotes.
Them install them free.
Higher purchase, but higher purchase is a wicked thing. Don't you go up on the higher purchase. By the time you're done, you pay about 50
Charge
times.
for everything.
But here we know, money have a time value. So if you spend $10 today, it will be like $500 tomorrow by the purchasing power of the money. So that's why they make you pay more money, because you get time value usage. You understand? So suppose you say, all right then, boom, I'm going to give you $100. 10-year time, you give me back $100. Is it the same value to me?
No.
No, because by that you can't buy nothing. When I used to go to school, you know what was bus fare? 20 cents. When I go primary school.
20 cents.
20 cents. And when it raised to 25 cents, people nearly demonstrate. How much bus fare they now? Huh? $100.
You showed you that one thing.
The first time you get $500 to go fear. You can go fear now with $500. I could have got bunks about everything. Food. You'd have a dancing room. Them time they have a dancing game, Lambada. I don't know them dancing. Lambada, everybody says, so you see a dance, you have Lambada skirt. You never buy them time. Yeah. No, Lambada skirt. When you go up, look on YouTube for Lambada. Biggest song, bigger than Gangnam Style now. Lambada. But when I say, if somebody did put down $5, $10, $500, it wouldn't value what it is now. So that's why I purchase now, charge you a certain percent to make them money have back value. You understand? Good. So if, like me I go build a house now. Me borrow from NHT. Me I go borrow 9 million. But the amount of money me I go pay back are more than 9 million. Possibly 3 times, I don't know. But what happens is that by the time that me reach that point of me done pay, the house I go also value more than 9 million. You understand? So when me a cost say you pay 40 million and 9 million, the house was valued 9 million, now it value 50 million. But you people have bad eye, them only see the bad side, they don't really see the good side. Because if you save up with 9 million, by the time you feel ready to buy the house, it would have also gone to a higher price. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Good. So higher purchase now. The woman buy a suite of furniture for $1,920. A deposit of 25% is paid. That we are paid them. An interest of 12% per annum is charged on the outstanding balance. What do you want to find now? The balance is paid in 12 months, 12 monthly installments. Calculate how much each installment is. So what are we going to start with? Where you start with? What you know? 8 nice.
How much for the furniture?
You start with what you know. It is what you know that is going to tell you how to find what you need to find. What do you know? You know, so the woman buy the furniture at what price? Furniture price. By the way, you see, if you're not going to use these, you have to first write out the thing. They're not going to know what FP is. So you have to say furniture price equal FP equal. You understand? You have to do it so. Furniture price equal FP equal 1,000 what?
920. And I have a deposit. Pay that.
No, you get a DVD. So you can pass it and write where you want. That's right, because I want to hurry up and go through it, you see. So 1,920, cool. So furniture equal FP equal 1,920. Boom. Why is you know?
A deposit price of $25.
Deposit
Price.
equal D equal What? 25%?
Yes, sir. On the interest,
25%.
interest 12%.
Interest rate.
The balance is paid in 12 months installment.
Equal I equal 12 per annum. What else?
And the monthly installment is
Monthly
installment.
No, we don't know that.
Sir, let me buy monthly
Installment
installment.
equal 12 months.
Equal X.
No, we know
Sir, let me buy monthly installment.
Each month you have to pay a certain amount.
Sir, read back the question.
You see monthly what the question asks you? Tell me what the question asks.
Yes,
So
sir,
what is
calculate
the
how
balance?
much each installment will be.
But the fact is
Then a monthly installment that. So if you know it already, what am I ask you? You know how many months? Total month. Equal. What we have for T total month now? TM? Alright. You can use anything, you can use A, B, C, D, F, G. But just use these because it reminds me of what it is. So, we come now. What do we want to find?
How much for the monthly installment?
Alright. So the first thing you have to find is that what is the price where you're going to charge interest pan? What you tell us that you're going to charge interest pan?
The deposit.
Huh?
Deposit.
It charge the money pan the total minus deposit. You know, see it read here so. Read here so. Higher purchase. Boom. It says that unpaid interest at 12% annum is charged on the outstanding balance. So if you pay a deposit, what outstanding balance mean? Mean what you don't pay. So therefore, outstanding balance
So you know, so you charge for late hearing.
balance equal OB equal to what? Talk to me now. Equal to FP minus
25%.
deposit.
And that outstanding balance.
Yes. So OB equal to FP minus bracket 25 over 100 times FP. OB equal to, what's FP? 1920 minus 25 over 100 times 1920. See that? See that? You want to find the outstanding balance. So it must be the price minus how much you pay. Alright now, so alright, watch this now. Hey, this thing, alright. When you add numbers with different sign,
They keep the sign at the biggest number.
alright. Watch me now. You have a thing where you call name a number line. You never hear about a number